Welcome to this space, and this meditation is called Coming Home to Stillness. It's to help connect you to your breath and your body and opening the doorway to the soul. I am Elaine Somerville, and I am pleased to welcome you today. So welcome, beloved soul. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable seated or lying position, allowing your hands to rest gently, perhaps one over your heart and the other on your belly. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Begin by arriving, not just in the space around you, but within yourself. And take a deep, slow breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Feel yourself land. Bring your awareness to your feet, your legs. Feel the support beneath you. The earth gently holding you. Allow that awareness to rise into your hips, your spine, softening your shoulders. Relax your jaw, your tongue, your forehead. There is nothing to do right now, nowhere to be. You are exactly where you are meant to be already. And begin to follow the natural rhythm of your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Allow each breath to soften you. Allow each exhale to release any tension, any thoughts, any expectations. And breathe into the space between your thoughts, into the pause, into the stillness. This is the doorway. This is the beginning. And now, bring your awareness inward, toward the space within your heart. Imagine a gentle light flickering there. Perhaps it's a golden flame, a glowing star, or a soft pink glow. Whatever you see, trust it. This light is you. It's a quiet wisdom of your soul. It's always been with you, whispering beneath the noise, waiting patiently. Breathe into that light. Allow it to expand, glowing gently through your chest, your body, your entire field. Stillness is not emptiness. It's your soul speaking. Take a moment in the silence to feel just being, just breathing. When you feel ready, bring gentle movement back to your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders or stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome home.